Welcome to JMR's new DataMover. DataMover is an enterprise-class appliance that enables high-speed data transfer between any two locations at near line speed and is independent of file size or depth of directory nesting. Each end requires an appliance. Whether your business is entertainment, finance, research, high-performance computing, disaster recovery, defense, or any market application that requires a fast and secure means to transfer data across the city or across continents, you need JMR's DataMover. The system includes a 2U appliance running CentOS and the DataMover application, which uses TCP/IP for orderly accelerated transactions and drop-in implementation with existing IT infrastructures. The appliance provides dual gigabit Ethernet and dual 10 gigabit Ethernet ports and includes a custom, easy-to-use GUI that can run on Windows, Mac, and different versions of Linux. The system includes the capability to compress, deduplicate, encrypt, and difference data in virtually any combination during data movement. This demo shows the entire process of creating a connection between two locations, which you only need to do once, and then initiating the transfer. Communication is bidirectional. To initiate a transfer, go to the application resembling dual file browsers. If you previously created a link, select the desired link connection, otherwise click on the gear icon in the link connection area. In the link connection dialog, if creating a new link, you specify a user-friendly name for the link, enter, select the IP address and any server login credentials for each end, select the latency, enter the root folder for each server in the Folders tab, send any other desired setting, followed by clicking on the Add button. Select the radio button corresponding to the direction in which you want data to flow, add desired files and/or folders to the queue, and press the Execute Play button to start the transfer. For this demo, we have data flowing from the DataMover server named Mercury to the DataMover named Venus. In this example, a Mac Mini connects via 10 gigabit fiber optic Thunderbolt 2 link to Mercury, and a Windows box connects to Venus on the receiving end. A user would transfer the video to the internal RAID 0 SSD array on Mercury. Once the transfer completes, the user on the other end would then transfer the data from the internal RAID array on Venus to the Windows box. Data can also just flow directly, bypassing the internal RAID arrays on slower links. The hybrid software and hardware solution will analyze and configure the transfer to account for latencies and different file types, sizes, and quantities. With the DataMover, typical transfers across a 10 gigabit Ethernet fiber optic link are in excess of 925 megabytes per second with 300 millisecond latency and approximately 1.1 gigabytes per second with lower latencies. Users can see real-time transfer status and a progress bar on the main tab. The interface supports the creation of multiple links. You can select them by clicking on the drop-down box in the middle, and you can also view the statistics of previous transfers. The interface also has a bar graph indicating progress of the transfer. Alternatively to viewing the statistics on the main tab, you can view the transfer depicted graphically in real time. You can easily see what transfer graph belongs, as well as see the progress bar, so you always know how much longer the transfer will take. You can also pan backwards and do a variety of other operations. The Logs tab shows technical details of the transfer. You can view not just errors, but the communication commands flowing on the line. The Transfer History tab has a table where every transfer is one row. Each row is color-coded so you can easily tell which transfers are complete, ongoing, or had any communication errors. By right-clicking on any row or number selected, you have various actions you can take. You can also easily export the transfer statistics to Microsoft Excel, which will allow you to graphically document your transfer. JMR's DataMover appliance will set new industry milestones in delivering unparalleled secure data performance and convenience for any market application that requires the most expedient means to transfer data across LAN, WAN, and GAN networks. Thank you for taking time to view this presentation. For more information, contact us at 818-993-4801 or on the web at jmr.com.